Virtual card is a convenient way to shop online and to make transactions online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual card using the Ecobank mobile app. Let's get into the video.
Therefore, we need to download the Ecobank mobile app. Go to Play Store or App Store and search for Ecobank mobile. Download the app and install it onto your device. We need to open the app and register. Kindly make sure to provide valid details for the registration. Click on Get Started and select No, I'm new to Ecobank. Now select the country that you are in and enter a valid mobile number. If you are in Ghana, kindly make sure that the number that you enter has a mobile money account on it. I will tell you the reason why later on in the video. Now select Open an Ecobank account. Here we have two types of accounts. We have the Ecobank Express account and we have the Savings and Current account. Don't select the Savings and Current because it will require you to go to the premises. Select Express account. You will receive a one-time passcode on the number that you used to register. Check it and enter it here. Now you need to enter your personal info. Please make sure you provide valid information because you will be required to verify those information. Now you need to provide your identity card. It can be a Ghana card, it can be a passport, or it can be a driver's license. Just make sure that the card you provide is valid and it belongs to you. For security reasons, I will cover my ID details. And also make sure that the name on the ID card matches the name on the account in that order, else your verification wouldn't go through. As you can see, our account has been created successfully. Now we need to create a 6-digit PIN. You need to remember this PIN because you will use it for your transactions. You need to answer any of these security questions and screenshot it because when your account is locked, you will be requested to provide these questions and answers. If your device supports Face ID, you can set it up. Upgrade your account to Express Account Plus, but it will require more details from you for verifications. I'll click on Do It Later. And you need to verify your email address. You can see our account has been created successfully. Now if you check our balance, you see that we have nothing in our account. So we proceed to fund the account and then create the virtual card. Now remember I said if you are in Ghana, the number that you provide should be a mobile money number. This is because we are going to use your mobile money account to fund the bank account so that we can create the virtual card. So you need to copy your account number from the platform. Now go back to your dialer and enter your mobile money code. Select Transfer Money. Use Bank Account because we are sending to our bank account. Use option 1, Wallet to Bank. Our account is an Ecobank account, so you select Ecobank. Now paste the account number that you copied from the Ecobank app. You need to enter the account number again to confirm it. Note that you need to fund your account with 25 cedis and above. I will deposit 29 cedis into my account. Enter your mobile money PIN to confirm the transaction. We have successfully transferred money to our Ecobank account. Now let's check our Ecobank if the money has reflected. You can see here the 29 cedis has reflected in my account. Now let's proceed to create the virtual card. Click on Cards on the bottom menu. Click on Virtual Cards. Now click on Create Virtual Card. Now you can choose the currency, the card type, and the type of card that you want. We are going to select shopping card, not gift card. We need to select the amount that we want to fund our card with. As you can see, it says 25 cedis or above. The 25 cedis, I think 10 cedis will be deducted for the card creation and the rest will be put on the card. Now you need to enter your email address so that you receive notification when you make transfers. You can see here, we are topping up our card with 25 cedis and it will last for 12 months. So after 12 months, the card will expire. Click on Create Card and enter your PIN. As you can see, our card has been created successfully. Now let's go and check our card and see our card details. You can see this is the amount that you were charged for the card creation, so the rest of the money is deposited on the card. You see your card and your card details, follow the same process and click on Manage Virtual Cards. This is our card. So if you click on View Card, you can see the card details, the card transactions, and the amount of money on the card. When we come to the card transactions, we see that we were charged 10 cedis for the card creation and the rest of the money was put on the card. This is the card details. I can see the last 4 digits 8810. To prove that this card works, I'm going to use it to subscribe to Spotify so that we can all see that the card works. So I'm going to top up more money on the card. This is my Spotify account, which has Spotify family plan on it, but the subscription just expired, so I'm going to use our card to update the subscription. So I'll click on the menu icon and select account. As you can see here, the subscription has expired, so I need to renew it. I will click on update card and enter our new card details. As you remember, the new card details, the last 4 digits is 8810. You need to take note of that. Now I will click on change payment details. Oh, accepted by Spotify. And now we have updated our subscription. We even have an email to prove that. This is the email that you receive on Spotify. As you can see, we have our card last 4 digits here, 8810, which proves that the same card that we just created. This card works on Netflix, Amazon, almost all the subscription sites, and you can use this card also to shop online.
This virtual card is going to help you with all your online transactions and all your online subscriptions. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.